She was born in Hanover, found Rasta had migrated to the hills of Clarendon to overstand and contribute to the high reasoning. However, it's not easy to contain the creative spirit, especially when it intersects with the, just let us say, the Caribbean sea salt water. But how does one move from Rasta and hearing a radio playing in your head to being named and honored with an MBE, you heard me, member of the British Empire? That day she boarded a bus to MBE, without rhyme or reason, or so it appeared, would mark the start of several publications and many revelations, not least among them what the Rastaman told her about ganja. If ever there's a revelation, this is it. This is Profile. My guest is poet Jean Binta Breeze. I am Faye Ellington. Well, let's start at the beginning.
Yes,
Let's
ma'am.
start with Binta. What does Binta mean?
My dear, we were choosing African names in 1978 at drama school. And I said, I want one that I can spell and that I can pronounce. And one day, Blacker Ellis come to school and him say, I find the right name for you, Binta. I said, what it mean? Him say, close to the heart. I said, okay, I will accept that. So them start calling me Binta, but here now. Me go to England and me meet an Irishman, him say, Binta. Oh, Bint is in Ireland, that's short for a child prostitute. Me say, oh, ho, ho, ho. Then me go to South Africa, me hear so, you know a Binta, when you're running away from home and you pack that one little bag with everything in it, that bag is called a Binta. And then the Arabs from West Africa told me, oh, it's Arabic for daughter of. Sam Jean, daughter of the breeze.
Why not? And I'll accept that. So Jean, daughter of the breeze, was really Jean Lumsden, born in Patty Hill in Hanover.
Yes.
Talk about those early days, mom, dad, and what are your
Oh,
memories?
Lord, the memories most of all of my mom. She loved poetry, and she knew loads of poems. And every evening in our bedroom, she would just recite to me, and I learned them off by heart, and I would recite them back to her.
Such as, which poets?
An old man going a lone highway came at the evening cold and grey to a chasm vast and deep and wide, through which was flowing a swollen tide. The old man passed to the other side. That kind of poem.
Far cry from a dub poet, which you
Yes,
would go on
very
to
far
become.
cry.
But as a little girl at Patty Hill in Hanover, what were you doing? What were the chores? What were you getting up to?
Them used when I run out in the square from round in the bushes where we lived, run into the square, all the old men would say, the dawning of the morning and the bright and happy star. So they call